Critical library mismatch involving the Windows Login Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Get the professional Windows Login Library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Windows Login Library, the Microsoft Windows Web Logon library. It provides the UI frame logic for web-based login prompts, like those used for Microsoft 365 or Azure AD inside the Windows shell. If corrupted, users will encounter a blank screen when attempting to sign into their PC with a Microsoft account. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Logon is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows Login Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Windows Login Library DLL. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Windows Login Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Windows Login Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.